Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. Going to give you a little tour on a 2020 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. It's this beautiful steel blue, twin 300 outboards on the back. Let's take a look and see what she has. Here we are up aboard the 2020 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. Going to give you a walkthrough tour of the options. You see that it has a fold-out transom bench seat. Nice, comfortable. Folds right out of the way and gives you plenty of fishing and cockpit space. Port and starboard in-floor insulated fish walls. And then the bait prep station. Large live well with blue interior. Moving forward to the helm, we got two captain's chairs, flip down armrest, vented seat backs, one 16-inch Axiom XL screen. Take a look here, really nice helm area. Bow thrusters, 4-inch vessel view controls. Moving forward, look at the wide walkways, bolsters, supports all the way across with the grab handle. Vacuum flush toilet, overboard discharge, and a holding tank. Your ignitions and your radio head unit are located inside the console. Large double wide sun lounger, which is below the gunnels close to the deck, so you can cruise while underway up here. Wrap around seating in the bow with 2 additional speakers. There is a shade that comes over the bow, so you can hang out here, enjoy the sun or the shade. Give me a call. It's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach, 954-633-2070.